Hi, it's Nicole, the teacher from Be Free in Design, and yesterday I uploaded a video design and disclosure document with me, and I put the link below for a free template. I realize probably not everyone knows how to take a Google slide template and make it your own, so I made a new video today about how to edit a Google slide. I hope this helps with not only your disclosure document, but with any other things that you're getting from Teachers Pay Teachers or other people's resources that might be added text on top of a design, because legally that's what we need to do. So thank you so much for watching, and like and subscribe, and please let me know if there's anything I can do to make these videos better. Thanks. All right, welcome or welcome back if you have seen either of my other two episodes. I'm Nicole with Be Free in Design, and I am here trying to save you some time. So what I'm going to be doing today is showing you how to edit a disclosure document that is on my Teachers Pay Teachers account. I created this yesterday. It's one of the two videos that I have, and I created it in Canva. But now I want to make it so that you can use it as a template. With Canva, there's very specific rules that I can't make it so that any of these graphics will move because of copyright. And so I have put it on as the background right here. And then what I'm going to be doing is actually doing it backwards so that you will have the document. So right here I have 7th grade drama, and I'm going to put title here, or classroom title, and I am doing that just so that people that either haven't seen this video or didn't watch the other one know that that's what I am intending here. And I put it as 2 lines because I want them to see that that's what I thought when we were doing this. Of course, they could do 1 line or make it diagonal. You could do anything you want, so you could take this and make it diagonal, have 1 line, any of that. And then right here where it says communication is key, that's not necessarily going to be for all classes, or at least all teachers aren't going to want that. So I am going to put note from the teacher. And this could be anything that you would like them to know. I am going to put right here, write note here, just so that they know that's what I am thinking, but they could edit this. Again, you could edit this however you want. Sorry, I'm still nervous. I'm going to leave the email address here because I feel like a lot of people are going to need a spot to put that, even though they wouldn't have to put it there. What we do in this class, I'm going to leave that title, but you can easily change it. And then I'm just going to put class description. Here. And then right here, this is where I have my units. So this one is actually my 7th grade drama class. We do all of these really fun activities, but for other people, they may not have this many units, or they might have more units. I actually have one of these that just has these bottom 4 on here. So if you only have 4 units you want to talk about, you can do that. But I'm going to put that these are objectives, so that you can write whatever objective you want on these spaces. Now with that, I'm going to also make this fit by just going up here and adjusting my text, and then making this one bigger because I just think that looks nicer. And then you could put anything that you want to in here. Now right here, I don't love how the 1 is so far away from objective. So I'm going to custom make that one, where I think I'm just going to put 0.7 line spacing. Yeah, I like that better. And then instead of typing it on all of these and then adjusting it, I'm just going, why am I doing it so slow? I'm just going to capture these and delete them. And then, nope, that wasn't the right button. There we go. I'm going to move these over here. In Google, if you get it in its approximate location, you can choose the group, and then you can align them. So I want them to align at the top, and then I'm going to ask for them to distribute vertically, and I'm going to copy and paste this, line it up, and just move it down. And so you can do the same type of formatting to change it to be whatever you like. It can be rewards that they're trying to earn, attendance policies, materials that they need. And again, I do have one of these that has 4 spots, and then this one has 8. And then this side right here, I'm going to kind of leave about where it's at. What are the rules in class? But anyone can click on that and change it to materials that they need, or communication preferences, learning objectives, which I like on the front page, but other people can like it anywhere, and you can change it. And then right here are all of these rules. I'm actually not going to change the rules because I think a lot of people would want these, but I am going to change this last one that says this is a performance class, so you have to get up and perform, don't make rude comments. I'm just going to put additional rules. Right over here says I don't anticipate any problems or disrespect. However, if a problem arises, I follow these 3 rules, and then it's just what I do to create it's just what I do for incident 1, 2, and 3, and I feel like a lot of people would also want this. It's just warning and a chance to fix it, then citizenship grade lowers, and then I'll contact your parents or take you to the administration if it's a big issue. There's the grades area that you can put your grading rubric in, and your citizenship rubric. Right here, I have you do not need to hand this back in, but this is a really easy spot for a parent's signature if that is what you prefer. That's how you edit it. I'm going to put this up and link it in the description box below. If you like it, please give it a 5-star rating, and if you don't, please let me know what I could fix on this. And then if there's any videos that you would like to see in the future, if you leave them below, and I will try to get to as many as possible. And like and subscribe to continue with more tips. Thanks.